How to fix COD Modern Warfare Dev Error 5761 on Windows 10. Here are some methods that may help fix COD Modern Warfare Dev Error 5761 on Windows 10. Method 1. Run the Blizzard Repair tool. Method 2. Update the graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. And, try putting game to lower FPS 7 reducing textures. Method 3, run the battle.net with administrator privileges. Method 4, disable background. Applications. Method 5, enable full screen. Borderless. Method 6, disable crossplay. Method 7, disable Discord's in-game overlay. Similarly, 1, try disabling NVIDIA overlay. 2, disable highlights related options under NVIDIA control panel. 3, completely disable the screen overlay feature by uninstalling, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, overlay related programs.